In the name of Allah. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you ready? Let's go tackle another math challenge. As you can see in the question, we need to find the volume of a hollow cylinder, right? What could the solution to the problem be? In the first step, we need to calculate the volume of the large cylinder or the outer cylinder. As we know, according to the formula, the volume of the large cylinder is equal to pi multiplied by the radius squared multiplied by the height. In this formula, which we will calculate for the larger cylinder in the next steps. At this stage, similar to the previous step, we will calculate the volume of the smaller cylinder or the inner cylinder. In this step, according to the same formula we have for the volume of the larger cylinder, we will determine the volume of the smaller cylinder. Here, just like in the previous step, our challenge is to find the radius of the smaller cylinder. Alright, let's move on to the third stage of the solution. In this part, we need to find the unknowns from the other two sections. Let's go for it. As we can see from the figure, we can determine the sum of the radii, which equals 12, and we can also find their difference, which equals 8. Well, the work is done. We have a system of two variable equations, and if we solve it, we can find that the radius of the larger cylinder is equal to 10, and the radius of the smaller cylinder is equal to 2. In the fourth stage, we take the unknowns that we obtained in the previous stage and substitute them into the equations from our first stage. By doing this, we can easily and simply find the volumes of the two outer and inner cylinders. In the final stage, we have the volume of two cylinders, and it doesn't matter that, as we knew, our cylinder is hollow. What we do to find its volume is subtract the volume of the smaller or inner cylinder from the volume of the larger or outer cylinder. It's that simple. In this way, we can easily overcome this challenge, and we have obtained the volume just as easily, which is equal to 1920 times pi. Until the next challenge, goodbye. Please subscribe to our channel and like it. Thank you for your support.